Here I have Motorola Moto G54 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to enable the Not Disturb mode on this device. So firstly, you should go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. So by tap on it once, you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. For example, you can add exceptions to it. It could be people, like messages, calls from contacts, anyone. Some priority conversations. You can also add apps to exceptions. It could be alarms and other interruptions. You can also set up a schedule for this mode. You can set default duration of it, and you can also hide notifications, like you can only disable sound from notifications, you can disable visuals or sound, and you can customize it for yourself, which features you want to disable and which not. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.